Nice, nice, nice. All right. So if you have joined our team, okay, make sure you send your link quickly. All right. Because we are filling up spots very, very fast. Okay. So you want to quickly send your link to me so that I will put you in our team build, traffic rotator. All right. So that you can start receiving those, traffic as quickly as possible. And let me tell you something, the traffic is converting. I am getting sales, and that is amazing, right? So you too can start getting sales for free when you join our team, right? Because we will just do the promotions for you, literally. That's what it means, right? So look, this is simple, right? So the way to get in is so easy, because what you are doing is this: you are you just join our TeamBuilders team. That's the first thing. Let me see what I can get here for you. Let's see. That's good. All right. So awesome. All right, I got it. now the way it works is very simple. There's a link in the description above, or even in my profile. You will click on that link, and then you join the OLSP Team Builders under that link, right? So once you join, your name is going to appear under me or under any of our team members, and once that is done, you will now be qualified to get free traffic from our team, right? So literally, we are going to be promoting your link for you. Now look, we the way this is it, right? We are working with you, not for you, right? Because there's no guarantee of sale. What we guarantee is that we're going to give you a lot of traffic over time. So that's what we guarantee. You are going to get traffic, no guarantee of sale, but let me tell you, the traffic is converting, right? People are getting sales, so it's converting. So you have the opportunity to also get into that high converting traffic. And most of the traffic that I am sending to the rotator, they are tier 1 traffic, so they convert, and we work on them too, right? So that they work very well. But that is just how it works, right? The way we are doing it, we want to really make sure that our team members get the opportunity to get sales, right? So we get involved with them, help them to do that part. So the traffic is free for you once you join our team, right? You just get it. Now, why did we choose the team builders, the OLSP team builder? Because this is an amazing system, right? So with this system, you have the opportunity to earn commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. Imagine we promote that your link, and somehow you get lucky and you hit those high ticket commissions. That could be life-changing for you. Now, another thing that is unique about the team builders is that it's a complete done-for-you system, right? So every other thing is done for you. The follow-up is done for you. The system sends out emails on your behalf. The system invites your leads to webinars and trainings, and then they close the sale for you. So because they do all the big job, it's nice, right? So that's why what we decide to do with our team members is to also work with them and give them some of our traffic so that they can get leads that goes into the system, increasing their chances of making those sales, right? It's powerful. Now let's look at some of the beautiful commissions that you get with this system. Now, as a team builder, you will be able to earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sales. So this is, and that's why we encourage most of you in our team to give us your mega link sales, right? Because we want you to get those 200% commissions, over and over and over again, right? Now, apart from that, you also get 200% second tier commissions in front-end mega link sale. So when we send those free traffic and you start getting those leads, now, if those leads start performing, you will start earning commissions, whether you work or you don't work. It makes it amazing, right? Now, and you will also earn second tier commissions on all products in the system. It's crazy, but that is not all. The big thing is that you are now qualified to earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. This is why we chose the team builders, and this is why our team is working hard to generate as much free traffic and just give them to you, right? So that you too can build a business for yourself. And look, as our team grows, we are going to naturally get more traffic, and we are going to look for places where we get high converting traffic, because that's what works. So look, let's not waste your time. If you want to join our team in the Team Builders Rotator, it's very simple. Just go straight to the link in the description above, click that link, get started. If you have questions, you can privately DM me, right? But this is your opportunity to join those of us that are getting sales, so that you too can build a business online, right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.